Welcome to today's class. Today we will discuss about beta and how to calculate it. Beta is the ratio of change in price of a security and change in market index. For example, the beta of share of A company limited will be calculated as the ratio between change in share price of A limited over a period of time divided by change in market index over that period. To make the expression free of units, the change is expressed as percentage. If the price of a share increases by 5% over a month and the market index increases by 2% over the same period, then beta equals to 5% divided by 2% equals to 2.5. It indicates that for one-time change in market index, the price of the particular share will change by 2.5 times. This is applicable for positive change as well as negative change. So, if the market index decreases by 1 times, the price of the share will decrease by 2.5 times. If the market the market index of the market index decreases by increases by 1 time, then the price of the share will increase by 2.5 times. So a security of beta less than 1 represents less risky stock because it will change less compared to the change in market. A security of beta equals to 1 represents stock with normal risk because it indicates that the stock price will change equally with the market. A security of beta more than 1 represents more risky stock because it will increase or decrease more than the increase or decrease in the market. The greater the value of beta, more risky the stock and vice versa. How to calculate beta? Beta is calculated as covariance between stock price and market index divided by variance square of market index. If covariance between stock price and market index equals to 4.11 and variance square of market equals to 5.68, then beta equals to 4.11 divided by 5.68 equals to 0.72. Now let us take a practical example of computation of beta. This is the data. We have calculated the different market market index value at closing of different months of a particular year, and this is the share price of share A at the closing of different months. We have plotted the closing values. Now we have to calculate the index return as well as share price return. What is the index return? In month of February, the index closes 2700, and in January it was 2500. What is the change? 2500 minus 2700 minus 2500 divided by 2500. This is the change in February with respect to January, and that value is 0.0800. Again, in March it is 2380. In February it was 2700. So 2380 minus 2700 divided by 2700. The value is negative. The index has decreased, so index return is negative 0. Minus 0.1185. This way we calculate the index return. Again, share price, return on share price. The share price in January was 350, in February it is 372. What is the return? 372 minus 350 divided by 350. That is 0.0629. In this way we calculate the return on share price. Return on index is termed as X and return on share price is termed as Y. Now in this column we calculate X into Y. In this column X square and in this column Y square. Then we sum all the values and compute the average of X and Y. And please note the number of observation is 11. These are 11 observations. Now, how to calculate beta? Beta equals to n, that is number of observations multiplied by summation xy minus summation x into summation y, total divided by n, that is number of observations, into summation x square minus summation x whole square. If we put the values, then we get the value of beta equals to 0.29. So in our example, we have calculated beta of stock A to be 0.29. It is a less risky stock as the value of the beta is less than 1. Thank you for attending this class.